Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina, and happy Walmart Wednesday. Today I'm going to tell you about the best deals that I grabbed over at Walmart for the week. I was able to get all of these items completely free, and y'all, there were so many items on clearance. I have a few that I'll tell you about, but I'm including a bunch of pictures at the end of this video of items that I found on clearance at my store. A lot of them were on the breakfast aisle or the baking aisle. But again, stay tuned to the end of the video because I have pictures of all of it. If you're new to my channel, welcome. So glad that you are here. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button because when I get to 4,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. Okay, so let's jump into it. I'm going to start with the clearance items first. The multi-meal, in case anyone does not have enough of this multi-meal cereal, this was on clearance for $1.42 at my store, and there is a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making this enormous bag, and this is like 38 ounces, so for 2 pounds of cereal, for 42 cents, so a great price on that. Or if you're looking to do donations to the local food bank, that's a great way to make a donation. The Trix cereal and the Kashi cereal were also on clearance. So this Kashi cereal right here was on clearance for just 69 cents. So I have not tried this before. This one I am keeping because I'm looking forward to trying that one. And then the last cereal that I grabbed on clearance were the big family size Trix. They were on clearance for $1.09, but there is a 50-cent rebate or $1 off 2 rebate on coupons.com. So I bought 2 for $1.09, that's $2.18, and then I got $1 back on the coupons.com app when I submitted my receipt, making it $1.18 for both, or just 59 cents each. So again, if that's not something you eat, I thought it was a great donation item as well. And then the last clearance item that I grabbed are these Welch's fruit and yogurt snacks. These were on clearance for just 56 cents at my store. Not something I've purchased before, but for 56 cents, I thought it was worth trying it out. All right, so that was it on clearance. I mentioned getting the rebate on Ibotta. If you are not using Ibotta yet, it's a fantastic app. There are so many great deals. This morning when I woke up, there was a freebie offer for Cliff Thin Bars. I just haven't gone back out to the store this morning. So check your Ibotta app for this Cliff Thin Bar rebate. It should be free, or maybe even just a little bit of a moneymaker after the rebate on Ibotta. If you're not using Ibotta yet, grab it using my referral code because you will unlock up to $20 in welcome bonuses. It also helps me out, so that is awesome. Okay, Swagbucks deals. I know last week I did a ton of Swagbucks deals. This week I just did one, and it's on these Morton's seasonals. Now, if your store carries the 8-ounce variety, the 8 ounces are priced at $1.60, but Swagbucks is giving back $4 when you buy 2. So if you buy 2 at $1.60, that's $3.20. You get back $4 on Swagbucks, making it free and an 80-cent moneymaker. Now, when I submitted my receipt, it did not recognize it right away. So at the very bottom, I pushed request review. And then it asked me if I wanted to upload another picture. I didn't, because the picture I uploaded was a good picture. So I hit the button right underneath that said request review again. And within 30 minutes, it was approved and I had the $4 in my Swagbucks account. So great freebie on Swagbucks. If you're not using Swagbucks already, you can score an additional $3 back by using my referral link found in the printable document that I include in the video description box below. Another Ibotta deal was on these Incognito Mickey Mouse nuggets. They're priced at $5.27. There was a $2 peelie, making them $3.27 at the register. But then Ibotta gave me back $2.50 for buying this product. And then I got another 50 cents back for a bonus because I had purchased the item twice. So that made this a total of 27 cents. Even without the bonus, if it's your first time purchasing it, it would be 77 cents, which is a great price. And my child actually really enjoys these, so it's a great price for a product that we use. Another Ibotta deal and a Shopkick deal is on this Alba Hawaiian sunscreen. So this little one, the 4 ounce, is priced at $7.97. Now, I did not have any coupons for this. I know some people are finding peelies that are stuck to the products. I did not have one, so I paid $7.97. I got back $2.50 on Ibotta for purchasing the Alba sunscreen. I got back 10 cents on Ibotta for purchasing any sunscreen. And then I got back 1,250 kicks on Shopkick, which is equivalent to $5, making this a total cost of just 37 cents for sunscreen, which is a fantastic deal. Now, if you are new to Shopkick, I have a complete tutorial on how to use that app. If you grab it using my referral code, you will get an additional 250 kicks back. And with Shopkick, every 250 kicks is equivalent to $1. So super simple app to use, but if you want to be walked through step by step how to get it and use it, check out my tutorial that I did on the Shopkick app. Another Shopkick deal was on the Sensodyne trial size. I did this last week. I did it again this week because it's still there. It's priced at $1.47. Shopkick is giving back 600 kicks, which is equivalent to $2.40, making it free and a 93-cent moneymaker. And I think the last thing that I grabbed were these One by Poise liners. These commercials crack me up. I think they're a little gross, but it's a new product, so a lot of times with new products, there are a lot of coupons and deals out there. So $5.46 for this box of One by Poise. There is a $3 coupon that I have linked for you in the Google document that I've provided. So you'll pay $2.47. And then if you have the Fetch Rewards offer, which I did, I got $5 back for buying this, making it completely free and a $2.54 moneymaker. So awesome, awesome deal. If you're new to Fetch, I also have a complete tutorial on that app as well, so you can check that out. A lot of times with Fetch, they'll give you completely free 100% points back. So you pay for the product and then you get the points back in your account and you can cash that out to gift cards. So overall, like I said, everything came out to be free and like just short of $1 moneymaker. So it was a great haul over at Walmart this week. If y'all have any questions, please let me know down in the video description box below. Thanks.